If you're new to my channel, my name is Tiana, and if you're returning, it is so nice to see you again. I recently did a clothing haul. I was shopping online. I chose some items to include in my wardrobe, and today I'm going to be sharing with you how I keep my wardrobe small. So whenever I bring pieces in, that means I need to get rid of some pieces. So we are going to make sure that everything in my wardrobe for this season is what I want to keep. I also have a little bin of clothing that I know we're gonna have to declutter some pieces. So if you haven't seen the first video, I did a haul of the pieces that I ordered, so you can go and check that video out first. And then today I got 2 more pieces. They were 2 pairs of pants. We're gonna see if the pants worked for me or not, and then we are going to go through my closet. So anyway, if you like minimalism videos, make sure to hit that subscribe button, ring the bell to be notified when I upload next, give this a thumbs up, and let's get right into the pants try on. These here were $49 and my Levi's were $89, so it's like literally these are half than the Levi's, and I can personally tell a difference. They hit right on my ankle, which I really like, but they have that jean smell to them, and it's not like the jean smell, it's like that dye smell. And that's one thing that I don't like in my clothing, is when I can smell like the dye. Let me know what you guys think. I'm gonna ask my boyfriend what he thinks. I love the feel of these. They're so thin and stretchy, and they're not like the Levi's where those are like jeans. We'll see. Let's try on the dress pants. Okay, dress pants. They're a little bit too big, and personally, I don't like these. For me personally, these just fit way too awkward for a size 2. There's no stretch to them. They're not high rise. They're like a mid rise. The waist is too big, and then the thigh part is too small, and then they flare out, and it just feels like there's still a little bit like a room in the back for your butt, and they just don't fit me properly, and they don't have pockets. So no, these are not going to be for me. So I'm going to return these. Okay, we're back. So as of right now, the jeans are kind of like a maybe, and the dress pants are a no. So this here is everything for like the current season. I only have a few sweaters like above, but we're not going to get into that until probably like late September, early October. But we're going to go through everything in my current season clothing, and I want to try and keep this to 30 pieces. So let's see what I can do. So this blue romper I'm going to keep, because if I ever need to dress up or need a pop of color, I'm going to keep this one. I have 2 bodycon dresses, one in black, one in beige, which I'm going to keep because I feel like I'm gonna wear them a lot in the fall and the winter. These are just 2 other black dresses, which I always think it's good to have black dresses. This is a brand new cardigan that I actually picked up in the haul, so make sure to go check out that haul and try on, because I'm keeping it. The next one is an H&M sweater that's inside out, but I'm gonna keep it. This is one of the new sweaters, so I'm gonna keep that one. I'm gonna keep this long black sleeve top. It's thin and it's really nice. So this top here is inside out, but my sister didn't want it anymore, so I took it. So I've been wearing it actually a lot in the summer because it's really, really lightweight. And I mean, if it wasn't inside out, you'd agree with me. It's really cute. I'm gonna keep this. It's just a light purple long sleeve. This dress, yes. This roots dress, yes. This thing, I'm kind of done with it now. I don't feel like it's my vibe anymore. I really don't. So I'm going to get rid of that. I'm going to keep that top. I'm going to keep that top. Keep it. 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 Okay. I am keeping all of this. I don't feel like that's bad because, I mean, I wear like all of this. Believe it or not, I went the whole summer with only having 1 pair of jean shorts. They're from American Eagle, so I'm going to keep them because I really like them. This top from American Eagle, I think I'm going to get rid of because I like blue, but I just feel like this one for me is a little bit too light, where I would rather blue like this. So that's 2 items gone. This here is a Gymshark top, which I never wear. So that's 3. These are a pair of shorts that I'm going to keep because I don't have many shorts and I actually wear these a lot. They're from Fashion Nova, so keeping those. This pink top, I'm just not a fan of the neckline, and it's also a little bit too big. So this top can go. because I'm done with it now. And if I want a pink top, I will find a pink top that's a little bit more flattering for me and comfortable. I would rather a neckline like this than a really low neckline. So that's 4. This is a working top, so I'm gonna keep this for work because it's comfortable, but it's older, so this is a work shirt. So for me personally, I just don't think I'm going to wear this top a lot. So I'm going to declutter it, don't need it. So I tried wearing this skirt and I really actually liked wearing it, so I'm keeping this one. This top I'm on the fence with, so I think what I'm gonna do is I'm going to keep it as like a working top, and if I don't wear it enough, I may declutter it, but I do still wanna try and wear it a little more. These shorts I like, but I prefer the black ones, but I'm going to keep them and just finish the season off, and then maybe next summer get a different color, but these ones lasted me like 3 or 4 years. These shorts here are from the lookbook store when I did like collaborations with them, and I really don't like them. They have like that scent like the Denver Haze jeans have. I don't like it. The scent never came out, so see you later. I tried wearing this skirt also. This one's from the Gap that I thrifted, and honestly, I just feel like it's too short for me and it just wasn't for me, so I can declutter that. I'm going to keep this long sleeve because my grandma has a long sleeve that is similar, and every time I wore this, she always says, I have a shirt like that, so I keep that just because she has a shirt like this. These are my like casual wear and working shorts, so I'm gonna keep these. This shirt from Le Chateau, I tried to wear. I wanted to make this work, it didn't work for me and how my body is, so that top can go. And these are all just working clothes. So out of all of that bin, these here are like my everyday pieces, and the other ones are just like working clothes. So I kept 3, 4, maybe 5 with the jeans. 28, I did it. If you're wondering, this here is like my workout top. I always keep just a workout set up here, and then back here I have a bathrobe, but I don't count because it's a bathrobe. So anyway, I was able to stick under 30, which is nice. I feel like that's a good number. So I'm gonna put these in the bin, and I'm gonna show you kind of what didn't work and what's leaving my wardrobe. So I'm getting rid of 8 pieces and I brought in 6, so I feel like that's not bad, and honestly I never wore this stuff, or it just didn't make me feel comfortable or confident, so I'm happy this is going. And these are the 2 pieces that are going to be returned. This was the black t-shirt that didn't work, and these were the dress pants that just, no, they didn't work. So anyway, this is how I keep my closet nice and minimal. So whenever I do shopping, I like to go through my closet, make sure everything that's in there is stuff I'll wear, and obviously this is how much stuff in there that I didn't wear, so I'm happy that this can go. And I'm happy that this here is my current like seasonal clothing. Up there you can see my sweaters, which I'm gonna be honest with you, I already know a couple I'm decluttering, but anyway, those are my sweaters. And then this is my current seasonal wear, including some shorts. So that is that. So I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. This is how I keep my closet more minimal, and how I always make sure that I am getting use out of my clothing. This is something that you can do easily. If you bring in a piece, go through all of your clothing and see if there is 1 piece or 2 pieces that you can take out of your wardrobe. I feel like that is a good way to keep it minimal and in check. So make sure to give this a thumbs up, make sure to subscribe, make sure to go follow me on my social media, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye.